Hey my friends, Rocky here from Our Dirt to Your Dirt, Rocky's Bug Juice Garden, the wine garden gift shop, flowers to brighten your day, and a good joke to brighten your day. So, why do flowers drive so fast? Rocky, can you read fast? Why do flowers drive so fast? I don't know. Why? Because they put the pedal to the metal. Pedal, flower pedal. Do I need to flower? You know, if you mention this joke at checkout, you get 10% off. So mention the joke at checkout. Don't just go, hey, that joke. No, you got to mention the joke, and we'll give you 10% off. Doesn't apply to another sale that's already on sale. Pedal to the. Come see us at Bug Juice Garden. Stay planted, my friends. And God loves you so very much, regardless of what you think you've done in the past. That's good news right there.